Chelsea Marie here, and I'm going to be sharing with you how to apply on-page SEO. So on-page SEO is all the content that you are putting on your website. First, you want to do the keyword research, which I just showed you in the last video. The next step is applying on-page SEO and then getting into off-page SEO. It's good to have your on-page SEO in place before you start on-page SEO. So on-page SEO is everything you're doing on your website. So that can be content creation and optimizing the content, creating meta titles. So this will be placing keywords into your titles. Meta description, placing the keywords in the description of things. Meta tags, creating them with the keywords. And then also image optimization. So you can also rank for images as well as keywords. So making sure you're putting in those keywords in the image tags, descriptions, titles as well. And then you can also go ahead and link your website in your website. So what that means for internal linking is you have maybe your home page and then another page doing a description. You're going to link something to another page in your website. And then also applying anchor text, which will be applying those keywords in it. So the keyword research that you just did, you're now going to be applying it to the website. So let me go ahead and show you more in depth of how to go ahead and do this. Alright, so now you're in your back office of your website. So I'm going to go to post to go ahead and create a new post. You can also do this on pages, do the same exact thing. So I'll go ahead and go add new post. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to go ahead and apply those keywords just off of a blog post that I have already written. So it's regarding superfoods, which is what I'm on a ranking for. So I'm going to go ahead and just place the content in here for now. But this would So it's called superfood list. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the center, make that header 2. And the reason why is because your title of the page is your header 1. And then you'll see the permalink, which will be the link that people click on. Most of the times it'll give you numbers. You want to go ahead and edit that to that keyword superfood list. Hit OK. And then throughout your content, so my keyword that I researched and everything was superfood list that I wanted to go ahead and rank for. So you always want that keyword that you want to rank for in the first sentence of your article and also the last sentence. So superfood. So you will love this superfood list, for example. And then throughout the article, you're also going to want that keyword. So for example, see superfoods right there. And then when you have those keywords, anytime that you bold them or make them italicized or underline them, it helps Google go ahead and see those keywords that you're wanting to rank for. So using it uniquely, don't overdo the keywords in there a bunch to where the article does not sound unique. You want it to flow gracefully, but you do want to have those keywords throughout it consistently. So that is how you would apply your keywords to your content. You're also going to go ahead and place the keyword right here as well for main keywords. In your tags as well, you can add the superfood list. And then also categories, because you can always rank for categories as well. Now I'll go ahead and show you how to do it with image optimization. So how to apply those keywords to your images. Say we go add media to go ahead and add your image. Alright, so you'll go ahead and insert your picture by clicking the picture when you insert media. You'll go ahead and put the keyword title in there. So superfood list. for the alt text as well. And then for the description, this will be more of a description, but you're going to insert that keyword in there. So for example, I just put, whenever you make a dish, make sure you pay attention to the superfood list, which is my keyword right there, to help you create a healthy meal. And then you'll go ahead and insert that into your post. And there is your picture, and it is now optimized. So when it's optimized, then when people type in Google in their superfood list, and then they'll go ahead and hit images with those keywords, the ones that have the keywords applied to it, those are the ones that are popping up on our images. So it's always good to rank your keywords it's always good to rank your content as well as your pictures. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and share with you how to do internal linking onto your website. So for example, I'm going to say I'm finished with this article, and I'll have a suggested article section on my page. So these are other articles that I have already written. So since I'm on nutrition, I just go ahead and do articles that have to do with nutrition. Depending on what topic, I'll go ahead and rearrange that. So these are other articles. I'll just go ahead and highlight it, click the link button, find what article I want to go ahead place there. I'll enter it, hit update, and now when anybody clicks this, it goes to another page on my website. You want to keep the traffic as much as you can on your website for a long time. So then I have under my author, I have a link going to my Facebook page. Any links that you can go ahead and go out as well. That will be external linking. And then for your image here, make sure that you have the keywords applied to it as well. And then you'll just go ahead and hit publish, and you'll have your on-page SEO completed. Some other key things about on-page SEO is that you always want to go ahead and create unique content. So that's content that's being put in your own words. Never copy any other content, because Google will track that, and that will hurt you in the end. Google has what's called spiders, and they go through your website, they scan it, and they look for those keywords. That's why we wanted to go ahead and put bold words, italicize them, underline them, making sure they're in each header part of our web page. So that is how Google finds those keywords and then starts to rank them. Also, you want to apply backlinks to it. So that gets into off-page SEO, which I'm going to be showing you next, how to go ahead and create off-page SEO. For all your content that you put on your website, you want to put as much as you can on there. The more content on there, Google looks at that as a trustworthy authority site, and the more links that you have going to that as well, we'll look at that as a trustworthy site. So both things are very key to having your on-page SEO with those keywords, and now the off-page SEO. In the next video, I'll show you how.